Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a big challenge that many of us face, making text data AI ready. With all the unstructured text data floating around, web pages, PDFs, emails, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, I've got some helpful tips to share with you. Imagine this. You have a PDF report that's over 100 pages long, filled with formatting that just makes your head spin. The struggle is real, right? But here's where we come in to save the day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to extract the value from all this messy data. Now, the standard method for working with LLMs is just to copy and paste your text into the model. But often, that just doesn't cut it. You might be limited by file sizes or dealing with irrelevant sections. What if I told you there's a smarter way? Let's explore how to convert this data into a clean format, starting with something called Markdown. So, what is Markdown? Essentially, it's a plain text format that's super friendly for LLMs. Unlike your regular .txt files, Markdown uses symbols to let you add headings, lists, and other structures without losing that simple text vibe. It's like giving your words a workout while keeping them lean. Let's break it down with an example. If you have a long article, you can format it with headings and lists using Markdown. This makes it easier for an LLM to pick out key points and understand the hierarchy. Pretty neat, right? And trust me, when you submit that Markdown file instead of a bulky document, you'll see a big difference in processing speed. Now, how do we get our data into Markdown? One of my favorite tools is Jina AI. This tool allows you to take a messy URL and convert it directly into Markdown. Just add a little prefix to your website link, and voila, you get streamlined content ready for your LLM process. It's intuitive and frees you from the hassle of formatting headaches. For instance, say you want to extract data from a specific Wikipedia page. Just tweak the URL, and Jina AI does the hard work of mapping the content into a clean Markdown format. No more struggling with formats, just pure, usable text. Now, let's talk about a tool I love for processing PDFs and other richly formatted files, LlamaParse. You'd be amazed at how simple it is. You can drag and drop a PDF into LlamaParse and let it do the magic of converting all those complex visuals into clean, straightforward Markdown. You'll wish you found this sooner. Think about a report with tons of charts and graphs. If you just wanted that key paragraph on page 53, using LlamaParse helps extract just that, bypassing all the fancy nonsense. It makes the process a breeze, and you get to focus on the insights that truly matter. So, by now, you should see how your text data can really transform into something powerful. Whether it's extracting data from URLs with Jina or cleaning up PDFs with LlamaParse, you're already on your way to becoming the text processing hero in your workspace. Think about it, folks. If you process even just 10 documents more efficiently each month, that's hours of saved time. Imagine what you could achieve with extra time on your hands. You could focus on crafting better content, increasing your productivity, or even taking a well-deserved break. Speaking of community, I truly appreciate all of you tuning in. This channel is more than just a video hub. It's a space where we all learn together. I want to hear your stories, your tips, and how you handle your own data challenges. We're all in this together, and every insight you share helps us all improve. So thank you for being part of this journey with me. Your support, your likes, and your shares mean the world to me. And hey, I'm always open to feedback. If you've got suggestions for topics or ways to improve this channel, please drop a comment. We're building something great here together. I've got so much more exciting content lined up. Whether it's in-depth looks at more tools or real case studies on AI and businesses, stick around. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we share, the stronger our community becomes. To help you get started, I'll leave links for Jina AI and LlamaParse below. Get out there and experiment with these tools. I know it can feel tricky at first, but with each attempt, you'll improve. Who knows? You might just unleash the next big idea in AI processing. Join me next time as we explore more ways to harness the power of AI tools. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Let's keep learning and growing together. I can't wait to see what we create as a community.